To open Fifth Third Bank online banking, start by going to the Fifth Third Bank website. Type 53.com into your web browser and press enter. This will take you to the Fifth Third Bank homepage. On the homepage, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you are a new user, click on the enroll button next to the login button. You will be taken to the online banking enrollment page. To enroll, you will need your Fifth Third Bank account number or debit card number, social security number, and email address. Enter this information into the required fields and click continue. You will then be asked to create a username and password for your online banking account. Choose a unique and secure username and password, and make sure to write them down so you can remember them later. Next, you will be asked to set up security questions and answers. These will be used to verify your identity if you forget your password or need to access your account from a different device. Once you have completed the enrollment process, you will be able to log in to your online banking account using your new username and password. From here, you can view your account balances, transfer money, pay bills, and more. To log in, return to the Fifth Third Bank homepage and click on the login button. Enter your username and password, and click login. You will then be taken to your online banking dashboard, where you can manage your accounts and take advantage of all the features and services offered by Fifth Third Bank. It is a good idea to set up two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your online banking account. This can be done by going to the account settings page and following the prompts to set up two-factor authentication. By following these steps, you can easily open Fifth Third Bank online banking and start managing your accounts online. Remember to always keep your username and password secure, and to log out of your account when you are finished using it.